What up, everybody? Quick mail day. Got 2 packages in. One was a random purchase, eBay purchase, number to 20, passing the torch, and I got this for $5, so I couldn't believe that shit. So 18 of 20. It does have refractory foil fractage, but you know, can't see it right now because of the light. So, but DeMarco Murray, number to 20, couldn't beat that. $5 plus shipping. So I think it was like $2 shipping, so I couldn't beat that, man. The late night snag. And then got this in from this guy, 7th, Michael. And then he had texted me and asked about these 2 cards and worked out a deal. So Michael, thank you for that. I'll get into it. And at the end of this video, I just want to do a quick apology. And that's that. So, and then I'll alright, so we got no note or anything, just a team bag, which I don't think that Michael Jenkins is part of the deal. I think there's only 2 cards, so Michael, I appreciate that. This cat is going to get murdered. But here's a, oh, there's more than, Jesus. Michael Jenkins, 2004. Is it Finest? Yeah, Finest. On-card autograph, which I did not have. Rookie autograph. Matt Ryan's first touchdown pass was to this guy. Number to 999, so awesome. And we got this oh shit. Badass Sam Baker. A Stadium Club, what, 2008. And I never seen any of these cards before. That's pretty cool. Sam Baker is one of the ugliest autographs, but still a cool looking card there. And I appreciate that, Michael. And this next card, holy shit. Sam Baker. And good lord. Holy hell. Michael, why'd you send me this, man? Holy shit. Number 2 of 25. Quad patch. Michael, why did you send me that? 3-color, 2-color. 3-color Matt Ryan, 2-color Steve Slayton. And a fucking laundry tag of Eddie Royale and Matt Forte, which this is a class of 2008. Here's the Matt Ryan. Oh my gosh, dude. Here's the back. Check that shit out. Eddie Royale went to Virginia Tech. So I love that dude, man. Quick as shit. Michael, way too much, man. That is awesome. League leaders. I don't know why you sent me that. But I do have, I said I had something to work for you for a while now. Works. But I'll show it in my next mail day. You'll see it. And then these 2 cards are the ones he sent me pictures of. Michael Turner out of National Treasures. Number 10 of 10 of Michael the Burner Turner. 3-color patch auto. Which I haven't had a Turner pick up in forever. 10 of 10. And then, that's a beauty, but this was the one I really, really wanted, man. Number 17 of 20, on-card autograph of Roddy White. It's the rainbow foil. 5-star. Yeah, beauty, man. 17 of 20. You know what? Fuck. There we go. Check that shit out. Super cool there. Man, Michael, I appreciate that, brother. I will have something in the works for you, man. Good Lord. Here's a DeMarco Murray. There you can see the shiny refractage, whatever how you want to call it, foil. And then, guys, if you're not subbed to Michael, the true godfather of YouTube, I will leave his link down below, and check him out. So, a quick apology to Bears 9 McMahon. The other night, some things were said, and I was in the wrong. What's up, everybody? I got a cut off on that last video. Got a phone call, so which you can hear in the video. So, just want to do a quick apology to Jack Bears 9 McMahon. I know I said some pretty nasty shit and in our little debate that we had, and I apologize for that, man. I know you've seen my message that I wrote to you, and I wrote it on your YouTube, so, you know, if we can't ever be friends again, I understand. That's my own fault. But, nobody's perfect. There's been a lot going on this year in general, and I'm not making excuses, but, you know, nobody's perfect. I'm wrong with what I said, and, you know, I just hope down the road we can, shoot shit about sports again, man, about football. And Jack's a great dude, and I really apologize, and you know, I feel like shit about it. I really do. I feel like an asshole, even though it was like a week ago now, and I feel like an asshole. And but Jack, I apologize if you see this video. I don't even know if you see this video, but I had to add it into attach it to my mail day, because I just feel it's only right that I do this, and I was wrong, you know. Nobody's perfect, but I do apologize, and I hope one day we can be friends again, man. And always been a great guy to me, always been stand up, and I think that's what I feel bad about most. And that's all I got for everybody. Just wanted to throw this in there quick. Yeah, man. Hope everybody's good. Hope everybody had a good Labor Day. And so that's all I got for everybody. Be safe. Michael's link will be down below. Thank you, Michael. That was amazing. Even though that was like open at like 3 or 4 days ago now. That was amazing. So and again, apology to Jack, great guy, and didn't deserve to be treated that way, and trust me, I'm paying for it now. Not cool at all. So be safe, everybody. I'll be back at you guys probably this week. Deuces.